Siyan is tired. Dali, ito may motorcycle. Run! Gilid! Gilid! Hoy! Run, Siyan, run! Run, Siyan, run!
Oh, I see cloud in here. Oh, there's Daddy Ate Kai. Ate Kai, Daddy.
What are you doing, Siyan?
Ate Kai, Daddy. Where are you? Which way? Left or right?
Taong nasa Tagaytay ah. Hoy, nasa Tagaytay po kita.
Ito may new profile.
Diyan ito, Inchong.
Diyan. Ayan, what's this? It's a pig. It's a pig.
Siyan!
Whoa, look at the animals in here.
Try mo daw.
Sayan! Si Sayan suwago na kare.
Hey, Gelly. What are you doing, Gelly? Ah!
What is that?
What is that? It's a cow. Wajana, wajana. Siyan, come here. Dali na ka, go. Come on. Come on. Are you tired?
No.
Oh. Oh, I'm walking.
Oh, let's find some more animals.
What?
Let's find some more animals.
Some more animals. Let's go. Siyan is tired?
No.
Hindi pa tired. I'm here walking.
I'm not tired.
You're not tired?
Where's Sapu's house with Bob?
It's too far. Hmm.
There's that bike. That bike is very slow. Because it's hey.
Oh, run si Siyan, run. Run si Siyan, go.
To run. Come here, Mommy.
Come here, walk si Siyan.
Oh, where's Daddy?
Oh, yun si Gelly. Ano? Habo na magbaba.
Kubabaon mo yun magabaton. Guru peto. There's a motorcycle. Gilid.
Gilid si Siyan, gilid.
Tabi. Uy, tabi. Bakit ka nagigit na? Katabi ka? You don't need to run.
Animals in here. There's a jungle and a monkey.
What?
There's a jungle.
Oh, come on, dali.
There's a jungle. We see a monkey in here. It's not the line because the cat.
Ano, paragal na. Iba na ang lakaw ah. Kasi bago masigla. Uy, pataas ah. Siyan, run, Siyan. Come on, over here. Ayan guys, nahuhuli siya. Are you tired? Oh, run. Run si Siyan, run. Pagal na. Run, Siyan, run. Oh, run doon.
Siyan want to.
Oh, may motorcycle. Gilid. Tignan. Ayun oh.
There's a tiny road. It looks like a desert.
What?
There's a desert of the here. Look at these plants growing.
Bisan mo.
So far.
Selfie. Where's Sayan?
Look the lake.
Come here, Sayan. Selfie.
Hey, Mommy.
What?
I see a lake.
Ate kay hiling kami gabos.
Oh, here.